Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe my channel and tap bell icon for all latest videos. Hey guys, welcome to the next lecture. Today we will talk about Mac. So guys, in this lecture we will see what is a MAC address and why we use a MAC address and architecture of MAC and types of MAC addresses and how to find MAC addresses in Windows and how to change the MAC addresses in Windows. Let's see one by one guys. So guys, MAC it stands for Media Access Control Addresses. It's a 48-bit addresses. So MAC addresses can in hexadecimal format. So guys, as we know, MAC is a 48-bit addresses and which is associated with the network adapter and it's a hexadecimal addresses. So guys, MAC addresses is a unique identifier that assigned to a network interface card, which is associated with the network adapter. So why use MAC addresses here? The important reason for using MAC addresses, it provides a secure way to find senders or receivers in the network, as well as MAC addresses help you to prevent the unwanted network access. So that MAC addresses is a unique number, hence it can be to track the device, and also it will use to Wi-Fi networks at the airport. We can use the MAC address of a specific device in order to identify it. So coming to architecture of MAC, the above figure shows the architecture of MAC. This figure contains here a MAC addresses containing here 6 outlets. See, and in the below diagram observed guys, the first 3 outlets, a group of 8 bits or the organizationally unique identifier here, that is called OUI. It is a 24-bit number that identifies the manufacturer, organization or any vendor. The last 3 pairs of digitals are the numbers specific to the device, which is known as the network interface controller, that is NIC. It is a specific guys. 3 outlets contains 8-bit like A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. In A0 there are 2 bits, that is 0 and 1, indicates unicast having a unique address of a destination server here. 1 bit means multicast MAC addresses of protocol, data stream or a application. So in A1 also there are 2 bits, that is 0 and 1, indicates a globally unique OUI. It's explored to identify the manufacturers and vendors worldwide, or globally means locally administered. So which is similar to LAN, local area network, similar to the local areas IP addresses. So coming to types of MAC addresses here, the important types of addresses are 2 types here. So here mainly 2 types of MAC addresses, that is the universally administered addresses and locally administered addresses. See, first one, universally administered addresses, that is called UAA. It is the most used type of MAC addresses and it is given to the network adapter at the time of manufacturing. So the first 3 outlets of universally administered addresses to find the organizational manufacturer that issued the identifier. The remaining outlets of the MAC addresses is assigned by the manufacturer here. So coming to the second one, locally administered addresses, this is called LAA. So it is a addresses that changes the MAC addresses of the adapter. You may assign these addresses to the device used by network administrator. It overrides the addresses assigned by device manufactured, so locally administered addresses does not contain OUI, organizationally unique identifier. The full form of LA is locally administered addresses. So next we will see how to find MAC addresses in Windows. See guys. So here you can find the MAC addresses with the command prompt. See in Windows, step 1, click on start button and click on start menu icon guys. And next step 2, type command prompt in a search box and click on the search result. And next step 3, in the command prompt type ipconfig all and press enter. Next step 4, the output of the command is known in the command prompt guys. So in command prompt, to find out the physical addresses of the wired or the wireless adapter, you need to scroll down and look for the values next to physical addresses. These will be your MAC addresses. So next, finding MAC addresses from network connection settings. So see, here another way to find MAC addresses in Windows: to check the details of your network adapter in Windows operating system. So here step 1, click on start button and click on start menu icon. Coming to steps 2, here type your network status and task in a search box and click on the search result. And next step 3, click on your network connection and Ethernet to as shown in screenshot guys. So in command prompt, to find out the physical addresses of the wired or the wireless adapter, you need to scroll down. In next step 4, in the next screen, click on details. See in step 5, locate the physical addresses. The value for the physical addresses in the network connection details window is your MAC address. So next you can change the MAC addresses in Windows. Here you can using the device manager to change your MAC addresses. So here coming to step 1, click on start button and click on start menu icon guys. See in steps 2, type the device manager in a search box and click on the search result. Coming to step 3, here click on network adapters and 3 will expand here. Coming to step 4, here right click on the network adapter section and click on properties. Next step 5, in the next screen click on advanced tab. In step 6, in property, go to network address. See in step 7, go to value type MAC address you like. In step 8, here restart your PC. This will enable changes. Coming to step 9, check the change type ipconfig all in command prompt.